evening, good day, or good afternoon, good evening kung aming vlog. But today is night time, December 29. December 29. Tomorrow. Yeah, so lapit na ang New Year. So we are here at Jiangnan, dito sa may Banawe. So we have been eating here for the past many times. And again, I just want to share again to you our experience dito sa Jiangnan ngayon. So, panoodin nyo guys kung ano yung mga kakainin natin later mamaya. So guys, we are here already. Ito pala iba. So we are here already na nasa loob na tayo ng Jiangnan. And ito yung mga una naming initial na in-order guys. So yan yung luncheon meat, yung beef. Hindi natin alam kung US ba yan or Philippine. Basta yan siya. Ito yung kanilang special Jiangnan sauce. Ito yung mixed balls nila. Beef. This is the duck blood. Cognac. Then, ito pa yung luncheon meat, and this is the tofu. Then, we ordered the original soup and the mild spicy. Sige. So, yan yung mga susubukan natin guys for this dinner dito sa Jiangnan. Okay, so let's start with... Okay, picture muna. Sige. They also have pala na gulaman and water. Yeah. So let's put first our vegetable sa gilid. Teka. So yan, nilagay na yung gulay. Hingi muna tayo ng ng tong tsaka ng sandok. Wala palang binigay. So, ano yung dried egg? Lagay natin yung dried egg, then the cognac soup, cognac noodles. Yan. Yes. The assorted balls and sausage, lagay natin. Then, ito yung kanilang beef. Dip na natin. Subukan natin yung kanilang beef. Beef nila guys. Lagay natin lahat ng kanilang beef guys. Tsaka meat. Let's put all the meat na. Mamaya ko napapakita yung pag naluto. Matama na muna yan. Yan na muna. It's just... Bakit? Okay. Mamaya na yan. Let's just cook muna. Okay? Pakuluin muna natin siya guys. So yan guys. So we'll try. Kita nyo naman. Maganda rin yung mga quality ng meat nila dito. So ito yung kanilang special sauce, Jiangnan sauce. Haluin natin. And then let's try, of course, yung kanilang meat. Try na natin. Kuha tayo ng meat. Hindi sa maluto yung mga meat dito for shabu. Dahil manipis lang yung cut nila. So ayun siya. So we'll try this one. Okay, ba natin. Just to give you an overview. Ganyan siya guys. Then we have to dip it here. Okay. And of course we will try. Stop. Ate ulit. Yung jam na isa sa mga pinupuntahan namin lagi dahil masarap yung kanilang hot pot. Now, this is 688 on a weekend. Yan. Plus, if you want a grill, you add 300. Una nagpunta kami dito, nag-add kami ng grill. Kaya lang, busog kami kaagad. Kaya this time, hot pot na tayo. So, yan. Okay. Ano kinain mo?
I don't know what is this. Balls, I think.
Okay.
Lalo makasist na masyadong chicken.
Yeah, yung chicken.
I will try all the balls.
Yun lang pala yung meat nila dito. Walang chicken. More on beef and pork lang. Pero, okay na rin siya, guys. Ako kasi, meron mamaya order tayo. So, ayan. Oo. Parang shirataki yan. So, nalagay kami yung noodles pero cognac siya. Parang shirataki. Kaya lang hindi ko lang alam. I think this is the lamb. Let's try may lamb sila dito. So, ayan siya. prioritize natin ang meat sa kain sa dapat, guys. Kain na muna kami.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too.
So guys, they have dried egg here. Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh, pwede nang kainin right away. Pero nilagay din namin siya dun sa soup. Enjoy lang. Try natin itong beef ulit. Sarap yung beef. Kaya so guys, sulit naman dito sa 699 ninyo. Lahat ng meat matitikman ninyo. Kung malapit na kayo dito sa Banawe area, lagi kami nagpupunta rito. This is one of the recommended hot pot. Pwede nyo punta ka. Dito kami sa baba area. Last time nasa taas kami. Sarap the meatloaf here, guys. Kahit itong klase nito. Pero ito ka bacon eh. Ito yung meatloaf nila.
Jujubing. You want jujubing? Jujubito, di ba?
Yeah, one of the spices we're using. Masarap mushroom? Yeah. Mushroom is protein din yan. You can eat that. That's a fungus.
Especially this one, the shiitake.
Yeah. That's a enoki mushroom. Shiitake is different. Enoki yan. Okay? Kain na muna ulit. Yan guys, tapos na kami kumain ngayon dito. So, na yung mga natira. Remnant of our pinagkainan. And I should say na sulit pa rin dito sa Jiangnan for 699 on a weekend and 599 on weekdays. Pagmin kayo, drinks. Ano pang gusto mo tanong?
Done. I'm very full.
Okay, tanong mo na lang kung pero gusto nyo itanong kung may free ba na dessert. So let's ask. So, na-confirm na meron silang free ice cream, avocado, and dragon fruit flavor. So, hihingi lang tayo para matikman natin. Before we end up this vlog. So, guys, dumating na. Ito na yung aming dragon fruit. Isa lang kinuha namin kasi titikman ko lang siya. Si Jed naman ang pinaka-ano niya. Kumakain yan. Ako naman hindi ako kumakain dahil alam niya naman ang low-carb lifestyle. Titikim lang tayo ng konti. Okay. Yan, titikman natin. Ganyan lang kadami, guys. Okay, sa'yo na yan. Okay. Nasa siyang cup syrup. Okay, masarap naman siya. Yan. So guys, late na ngayon na. More than, past 10? 10:43. Past 10, pero marami pa rin kumakain dito. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. This is Jiangnan for 2024. Ngayong December 29. I just want to share with you ang experience namin dito. And if you happen to want to have a good hot spot, pwede nyo bisitahin nila. So, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed watching our videos.